Yo, what is up guys? It's your Raku and I've got an amazing video for you guys today. I'm gonna be showing you how you can get the iPhone 11 and even the iPhone 11 Max Pro completely for free, and you can do this in any country. I just got mine, so I'm really excited. And yeah, it's really amazing. It's completely free, anybody can do it. And yeah, it only takes a few minutes to do, and mine arrived in literally 1 week, so I'm really excited. And I've done this before for all kinds of other Apple devices. In the past, I got the iPhone XR this way, and sometimes they do even Android devices. But yeah, it's really amazing. Here, let me just unbox this iPhone Max Pro in a second. Yeah, you guys are gonna love this. This is absolutely amazing. You can get the brand new iPhone 11 Max Pro completely for free. Some of my friends told me about the site a while ago, and I'm glad that they finally got the 11 Max Pro on it. So just open the box. See how beautiful this phone is. Wow. So this phone is supposedly supposed to have like really amazing camera. So I'm really excited to start using it. Honestly, my favorite part is unboxing brand new Apple devices. It's so satisfying. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys in a second how you do it, but let's just unbox this thing. Wow. And it's got the beautiful matte black finish. You can select which color you want, but I always go for black, well, usually. Same with the iPhone XR, but yeah, wow guys, look at this phone. You guys should definitely get this phone. I know I'm going to really enjoy using this phone. But yeah, so let's see what else is in this box. It's probably Apple stickers in here, hopefully. Hey. And then you get the standard iPhone or Apple earpods. It's too bad. I think they should provide the AirPods. That would be really cool. But yeah, this is normally like over $1,000 phone, and because I'm from Canada, it's almost $2,000 to get this phone. So I'm glad I was able to get it completely for free. That display is so large too. It's so impressive. And then you get your fast charger and lightning cable. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how you can do it. It's really simple. To leave a link down below. And basically once you're on the site, you're just going to select which iPhone model you'd like. Sometimes they don't have the Pro Max in stock, but they still do, so if you want to try and get that one, then you're going to hit continue, and then you're going to select which storage. Again, sometimes they run out of certain stock, but they have the Max available right now. And then you can select what color you'd like. I always go for space gray. Then you put in your email. This is really important. Make sure you put in the right email. You don't want to put the wrong email. So you're just going to put in your email, and once you put in your email, you're going to hit continue, and you're going to tap the button here. And basically the way it works is you're going to get brought to this page, and you're going to have to download 2 apps to claim the iPhone. And it's really simple. So you're just going to tap on one of them. It's going to take you to the App Store, and you're going to download the app. So you don't have to pay for anything in the app. Sometimes they have like a free trial because it's a VPN in this case, but you don't have to do any of that. So just download the app, and once you open the app, all you're gonna do is run it for 30 seconds to a minute just to make sure that it registers and recognizes that you've downloaded the app. So yeah, just run it for 30 seconds to a minute, and once you've done that, you're gonna go back to your browser and you're gonna download a second app. Sometimes it's gonna show you a long list, but you always have to just do 2. And then you download it, run it for 30 seconds, and yeah, once you have the 2 apps and you've used them both for 30 seconds to a minute, you're going to receive an email on the email that you put down, and you're going to click on that link in the email, and it's gonna ask you for shipping information and whatnot, and if there's any preference on shipping company, but usually it doesn't matter. And yeah, for me it took about a week. Some of my friends, because they're in the US, it only took a few days. But yeah, it's pretty fast, it's pretty amazing, and it's definitely worth taking advantage of rather than paying all the money for a brand new phone. So yeah, you guys should totally do that. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys can click on that. And yeah, if you guys have any trouble or confusion with it somehow, just subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what iPhone you guys want, and I can do this for you if you want. I don't mind doing it. It only takes a minute, so might as well. And yeah, and I'm just curious to see what type of iPhone you guys are most interested in, so just comment down below what iPhone you guys are wanting to get. And yeah, it would be really interesting to see what you guys pick. But yeah, hopefully you guys take advantage of this. It would be a shame if you don't, because there's a lot of clout that comes along with the brand new iPhone, as I'm sure you guys know. But yeah, comment down below what iPhone you want, and if you could subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Peace.